The warm seasons have arrived, and what is going to make it just that little bit better is that I have my hands on the Swimways Spring Float collection. So come down to the beach with me as I unbox it and give it a go. I love that it's got this strap, which is going to make it super easy for me to carry down to the beach and pack up as well. What I'm loving about this already is that it is a pump-free design. The Hyperflate valve makes blowing up the float so quick and so easy. The pump-free design prevents air from escaping for super speedy inflation. This is the Spring Float Original. I just love how the inflatable head pillow supports my head so I can keep it above the water. The soft cooling mesh keeps your body just below the water surface to keep you comfortably cool for hours of relaxation. This is the Spring Float Recliner, which this recliner is ideal for floating at the lake, the beach, or in the pool. And my favorite part is that it includes a built-in cup holder to keep my drink close. This is the Papasan Float. I just love how the inflatable edges support my back so that I can just sit back and relax while the cares of everyday life just drift away. To get your hands on one of these, just head to your closest Target, Big W, or Kmart, and you'll love it.